Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I am gonna show you how to enable dark mode on Instagram. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to simply open up Instagram app on your mobile phone. So after opening up Instagram app on your mobile phone, you guys have to simply open up your profile by just tapping on below the right corner of your profile. So after tapping on that, here it will provide you your profile menu. Here you guys have to simply tap on the top right corner of three horizontal lines, which is settings. Basically you guys have to simply tap on it and it will provide you a drop down menu. In this drop down menu, you guys have to simply tap on settings and privacy. So in the settings and privacy, you guys have to simply scroll down until you find an option which is accessibility. So here you guys will be able to see this is accessibility. So we guys have to simply just open it. So after opening up accessibility, here it will provide you two options. You guys have to simply select the second option, which is dark mode. So after selecting the second option, here it will provide you two options, which is on and off. So you guys have to simply turn it on by just tapping on, and if you want to turn it off, you guys have to simply tap on it, and in this way you guys can see our dark mode has been turned on and turned off. And by just tapping on the system default, it will provide you a default which is dark mode already. So I hope this methods find you well. To like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.